What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This mentor here. In this tutorial we will see how to take an input from the user. In our last tutorial we had seen an introduction to our first Java program, so if you don't watch this video then go and first watch that and then come back to this. So let's get started with this video. Basically there in Java there are three ways to get an input from the user. First by using buffer reader class, second using scanner class, and third with the help of our console class. Basically the second way, that using scanner class, is widely used in Java to get input from the user. Now we will see what is scanner class. Scanner class. This class comes under the java.util package, and there are various methods inside this class. These are all predefined methods inside this class. Next, next in, next long, next right. These are some examples of this scanner class and so on. Now we will see how to get input from the user using scanner class. First we import our scanner class by writing the code import java.util scanner. Then we will define our class A. After that we will define our main method. Then we will create an object of our scanner class by writing scanner s is equals to new scanner system.in. Now we will simply print enter your name. Now the return type of name is of string type. Then so for the returning type value as a string we will use s.next. Then we will print enter your status, which means that if you are a faculty then we will return F, and if you are a student then you will return S. So basically these are the two characters that you will return. So the return type of this status is char type. So for the return type char we will use s.next.char at 0. Here only the word at index is 0 is returned only by declaring char at 0. Now we will display enter age, and the return type of our age is always in integer. So for receiving integer as a return type we must use s.nextInt, and next we will print out our these simple basic statements, that is what is name and age. So that's it for this tutorial. So guys, and yeah, we will surely see its practical view in our next tutorial, that how you scan a class in practical, that is by compile and execution for our program. So that's it for this video. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, bye bye.